First, go to Adobe Photoshop and create a new file. Import the image file into the document. Go to Quick Selection tool and press Select Subject. Then, Photoshop will automatically make a selection of the object. Add a layer mask to the selection. Right-click on the layer mask and click Select and Mask to refine the selection. Refine the hair and other complicated areas using the Refine Edge tool. Click on the layer mask and go to the brush tool. Set the foreground color to black. Refine the edge of the selection using the brush tool. Clean the edges of the selection by deleting the unwanted areas. Duplicate the mask layer to make a shadow. Select the duplicated layer and place it in the position of the shadow. Set the foreground color to black and press Alt or Option key along with Delete key to fill the shadow layer with black. Bring the shadow layer under the main layer. Go to Filter menu, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set the blur according to the requirement and press OK. Refine the shadow by erasing unwanted areas using Brush tool. Reduce the opacity of the shadow layer according to the requirement of the image. Add text using vertical type tool. adjust the text type, size and the position. The size of the text should be a little bit small to the image size. Erase the mask layer of rounded areas of the text. Erase the image area behind the text as you wish. Click on the layer mask, and by pressing the Ctrl or Command key, click on the text layer thumbnail. Go to Select, Modify and Expand. Set the expand value to 10 and press OK. Set the foreground color to black and press Alt or Option key along with Delete key to fill the selection with black. Duplicate the mask layer and place it above the text layer. Right-click on the top layer and click Delete Layer Mask. While pressing Alt or Option key, click between the top layer and the text layer to make a clipping mask. Select all the layers and press Ctrl or Command key and T to transform the artwork. Set the size and the position accordingly. Then finally add some text as your requirement and you are done.